Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a cheesecake. It's my husband's birthday and he requested a cheesecake. So let's begin. First, you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you are going to prepare your crust. I am using my rolling pin to get the crust crushed. If you do not want to use this method, you can use your food processor or blender. Then you are going to pour the crust into a bowl and pour melted butter over it and combine it. I forgot to mention that I am using honey graham crackers with a touch of cinnamon powder. Now you are going to pour the crust into a baking pan. I am using a 7-inch baking pan. Press the crumbs gently with your fingers or a bowl as I am using, or even with a spoon. I am doing a rise with the crust, but you can do it flat if you want. If you want to do it flat, then you might need to do less crust, or it's totally fine with you if you want to take crust. After you finish, you are going to bake this for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees and put to cool. If you do not want to bake it, you can put it in your fridge until you are ready to put in your filling. After baking the crust for 8 to 10 minutes, you are going to lower the oven at 325 degrees. Now we are going to make the filling. Mix the cream cheese and sugar until it is smooth. Then you add your eggs one by one along with the lemon juice, sour cream, and vanilla extract. And remember, your cream cheese and eggs should be room temperature. Make sure you mix it until it is smooth, soft, and creamy. And I am mixing it on medium speed. Since I am going to do a water bath for my cheesecake, I am going to wrap around my springform pan, and this will help prevent water from going into the pan. Pour the filling into the pan and put it into an additional baking pan with water, and that water must be hot. Make sure that the water is halfway to the baking pan. After, smooth the top with your spatula and bake in the preheated oven at 325 degrees for 1 hour. After the hour of baking, you will notice that your cheesecake is a bit wobbly or jiggly in the middle. That's an indication that it's finished. And also, you can touch it, and when your hands are clean, that means it's ready. Also, I follow the rule where you leave the cheesecake in the oven for an hour to cool. During this process, the cheesecake will form up while it is cooling. Also, don't forget to prop the oven with a wooden spoon. After an hour, you are going to take the cheesecake out of the oven, leave it to cool at room temperature and refrigerate. After several hours in the fridge, it is ready to be cut. Look at that. Also, there's a rule where you can use hot water on your knife, wipe it off to get a clean cut. I didn't follow that rule, but look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Just amazing. So smooth, has a velvety texture. I'm tasting that sour cream, that little tanginess. I love that. And you can make sauce with this. My husband didn't want any sauce, so that's fine. Very smooth. Mm-mm-mm. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.